VRoid Studio v1.16.0 was just released. They added height measurement. Under the Body tab on the right, above the sliders is the option to see the model's height. When selected, a blue square displays with the height in centimeter. Using the sliders will show the change in height. They also fixed a bug of name displaying when necktie, string tie and bodysuit are added as templates in other categories. For necktie, the corrections are for neckline position Y, neckline position slide, neckline width, knot width, tie width. For string tie, the corrections are for position Y, position slide, neckline width, tighten right loop, tighten left loop. For bodysuit, the corrections are for neck width and neck thickness. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe or tip.